Well, what do we have here? We got that new Icon Professional adjustable shop seat with tool storage. Let's go ahead and open that puppy up and see how she sit. Because if you like me when you working out in the shop, you like to be off your feet, on your ass. Just a heads up, y'all, they got this thing on sale right now. It's originally $115. They got it on sale for $70. So run into your local Harbor Freight and get you one of these nice little sitter boys. Get your chainsaw out and open this puppy up. Let's see. And just a heads up, y'all, they got either black, green, blue, or red. I chose blue because it matches my 58 Chevrolet. Oh. Go ahead and sit that to the side right quick. Let's see what else is in the box. They got instructions, but we don't need that. I'm just playing, y'all. I'm a very instructional guy. I might need these. Oh, you rat, this son of a... Oh, yeah. Man, it already got the casters on it, bruh. With the mud grippers. Very easy put together, y'all. Look like a few pieces, and it come with an Allen battery wrench. Yeah. Get my Allen out of there. All right, let's see what we got. Man, that's nice, y'all. All right, so according to my instructions, I'm gonna take number 2, drop it in that hole. I'm gonna go ahead and take number 1, take this out of there, and drop that right there, and hit it. And we got ourselves a complete chair. All right, let's go ahead and sit. Oh, dude. Let's see if it's got adjustments. Oh, yeah. Perfect, y'all. Perfect sit. Perfect shock absorption. Up, down. Bruh. Perfect spin action. And that's all I can say about this Icon Professional adjustable shop seat with tool storage. 10 out of 10, would recommend. Get you one. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Later, y'all.